Once upon a time, in a peaceful land called Everbright, ruled a wise and kind-hearted king named Lionel. He wore a golden crown, carried a silver sword, but he only used it when he absolutely had to. King Lionel believed in protecting his people with courage, kindness, and clever thinking. The people of Everbright were happy. The rivers sparkled, the birds sang, and no one locked their doors at night. But one day, that peace was shaken. A messenger raced into the royal garden, out of breath. "Your Majesty. The northern villages report strange attacks. Crops are disappearing. Wells are drying up. And no one sees the enemy." "The enemy is invisible?" King Lionel asked, stroking his beard. The council shouted, "We must send soldiers. We must build tall walls. We must fight." But King Lionel raised his hand. "Let us not act in fear. Let us act in wisdom." Instead of charging into battle, King Lionel disguised himself in plain robes, grabbed his walking stick, and set out to see the northern villages for himself. He listened to the farmers, drank tea with the elders, and helped children plant seeds. Slowly, he noticed clues. The soil was dry and cracking. The streams were shrinking. The animals were restless. "This isn't an enemy with swords," he whispered. "It's a silent enemy, a drought." When King Lionel returned, the castle guards expected a war cry. But the king stood on his balcony and declared, "There is no invisible army. The enemy is nature changing, and we must change too." The people were puzzled. "How do we fight that?" King Lionel smiled. "Not with weapons, but with wisdom and unity." King Lionel organized everyone. The builders dug new wells. The bakers shared bread. The teachers taught kids how to save water. The gardeners planted drought-proof crops. Even the children helped carry buckets of water to the animals. And then, the clouds came back. Rain poured, the rivers danced again, and the trees stretched their arms in joy. Years later, children asked, "King Lionel, why didn't you fight with your sword?" And he replied, "True strength isn't in how hard you strike. It's in how well you understand, how bravely you lead, and how kindly you protect those who depend on you." A wise leader doesn't fight every battle with force. Sometimes, the bravest thing you can do is listen, think, and bring people together. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!